What's up, y'all? So I'm here to show y'all what is meant to be my quick, very quick mommy makeup routine, because we ain't got the time and I'm using what I got at this point, or normally you are using what you got at this point if you're a mom. So the very first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my face. So we've been traveling, so I got a lot of my containers in these little travel containers, but I'm using the e.l.f. moisturizer, the one that's got hyaluronic acid inside of it, because my skin is dry right now, rusty. And I'm gonna avoid my eyebrows because I'm gonna be putting something on my eyebrows. Now, if I am in a super duper pinch, I'm not gonna do too much, but moisturizer is definitely a must. But moisturizer down, boom. Very next product I'm gonna use is my secret weapon. So this is Max Prep and Prime 24-hour Extend Eye Base. I use this product on my eyes and on my eyebrows. So we're gonna take some of that, mush my fingers together like that real quick. And this for me, most days, is a non-negotiable, especially if it's about to be a long day. I can't have my eyebrows sliding off, wiping off, none of the things, okay? None of the things. All right, bet. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit because you don't wanna put product immediately on it, but I'm gonna let that sit. All right, next thing I'm gonna do, since I'm trying to get out of the door and I just want something real quick, I'm gonna put a little bit of base on my face. And for me, it's not really a base, but it's the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base skin tint. So this is just like a moisturizer with a little bit of color to it. And I'm gonna take some of this, and I don't got no towel near me right now. I ain't got no baby wipe or nothing, but most days I'm just using my fingers for this. So I'm just dabbing it on. You don't get a whole lot of coverage with this product, but it gives you just enough to do what you need to do. Yeah, you don't get a whole lot of coverage with this product, but it gives you what you need. Again, if you're a mama, you're just trying to run out the door, you just want something quick and easy, you don't need a whole lot anyway. Put some under my eyes to act as a little bit of concealer. And of course, if you got the time, you can absolutely use some concealer, or if you're somebody that wears like big lashes and give a little bit of a shadow, you need a little bit of concealer under your eyes to brighten up under there. And right now, we look hydrated, we look moisturized. I still got some left on my hand, so I'm gonna put it on my chin because sometimes there's a little bit of discoloration there. Hyperpigmentation. All right, now we good. Put a little bit on my eyes, whatever's left over on my fingers. All right, and again, if you got some concealer, feel free to put that on. I don't feel like it for real. You know what? Let me not lie. I kind of do want to put on a little bit of concealer if I can find that hole. I'm not gonna look too hard for it. If it don't come to me in the next 5 seconds, it ain't meant to be put on. Bam, got it. All right, and for me, my concealer ain't really a concealer. It is this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation that's a little bit light, but it is in the color, I can't tell what the color is. It say on the back Y45. It's light enough to be a concealer for me, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that under my eyes just to brighten up a little bit. And if you somebody's mama, girl, you probably need this. You probably need a little bit of brightening under your eyes. It's okay, baby. Nothing wrong with that, okay? So I'm taking it and I'm putting in almost like an angular kind of shape. Concentrating right here under my eye, and put a little bit in this little crevice here, but I'm gonna bring it up to give me a little bit of a lift. Same thing on this side, not too much, keeping it very mindful, very demure. We're not doing too much right now, but you know, if you do need that little bit of lift under the eyes, this will do it for you. A little bit warmer than my complexion actually is, but it'll all come together. And again, honey, ain't got time to be worried about it. I'm gonna put a little bit here just to give us a little bit of dimension, and a little bit on my forehead. Child, about to mess around and have a whole full face here. We are 5 minutes and 55 seconds in. I'm doing too much. I feel like every time I do makeup, I end up doing more than I anticipate doing. Now this is just to give myself a little bit of a contour, reverse contour here. This is something that you can absolutely do if you don't have a whole lot of time. You don't feel like highlighting and contouring, but you want to do a little bit of something to give yourself a little angles, play with the light. Just do that. Put a little bit of that concealer right underneath where you would contour. Boom. Fake contour. I ain't even tell y'all my name. If this is your first time on my page, my name is Hattisha, Hattisha. I'm a makeup artist. I'm a new mom. I am a cosmetologist. And girl, I be struggling sometimes. I'm just not getting to the point where like I'm okay with and feel like I have the time to get myself together. So I'm gonna take a little bit of time to do that. All right, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take a little cotton wedge here. I ain't got no beauty blender. I'm fine with that. Spraying it with some water, straight water. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to very lightly tap. Kind of hard to see with this lighting, but I'm pretty sure I'm blending. All right, make sure I go up here because I know, child, I didn't blend that much here. I know I didn't blend that much here at all. All right, I'm gonna look up. Cool. clean. She's good. She's fine. What I'm gonna do now, I normally wouldn't do this, but since I put a little bit of concealer on and I don't want to crease a whole lot, I am going to take some of my, this is LYS Beauty. It's a translucent setting powder in banana. And girl, to be honest, I wouldn't normally use this under my eyes, but right now it is all I got in front of me, so I'm gonna use it. Now, I say I wouldn't use this normally because for me, these yellow powders can be a little too warm, and like my skin's not super duper warm. But I'm taking a little bit of that on this wedge, and I'm just pressing that into my under eye. Pressing that into my under eye. 8 minutes in, child. This is longer than I anticipated, but it's cool. So I'm gonna put this in all the areas that I concealed with that foundation, and I'm gonna try and speed this up a little bit. Boop, 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 boop. All right, child, my baby waking up again. Let's do that right under that contour area too, because we did put a little bit of concealer there. All right, and I'm gonna be honest with you, most of the time, this is where the like face powdering stops for me. All right, but what I am gonna do, honey, put a little bit on my eyes too because they're a little shiny. But what I am gonna do, I'm gonna go in with some of my absolute favorite bronzer, which is the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Mocha Mommy. This joint for me is amazing. I love it. So for me, it works as a, I can't find the open, but it broke while I was on vacation traveling. Y'all, I was so sad about it, but the show must go on. I'm using the blush brush, and I normally wouldn't use this kind of brush, but baby, it's what I got. So I'm gonna put it in the contour area. I'm gonna go a little bit higher, and I know I'm talking fast, but y'all, I'm trying to go through this video. I'm gonna put it a little bit higher than I normally would put it for a bronzer. That's because right now it's gonna act as a blush. See, this is how I feel like I always end up taking more time than I need to, or taking more time than I anticipate taking, because I see these little things and I'm like, I need to fix that. And this blush right now is lower than I want it, absolutely lower than I want it. That's gonna bother me. Or not blush, but this bronzer right now is much lower than I want it. But baby, I ain't got time. We ain't got the time. Sometimes you ain't got the time. You just want to look decent. You ain't got to look 100% perfect. You ain't got to look all the way put together. But just, make it do what it do. Make it do what it do. And right now, that's what we doing. We're making it do what it do. Put some on the forehead. As long as I don't look a hot mess, we good, we good, we good, we good, we good. All right, baby. We at 10 minutes and 40 seconds. I feel like that's only because we talking. Now, absolutely, I feel like if you're doing this at home yourself, you can absolutely chop this down because you ain't going to be talking this whole time about what you're doing. Where's my wedge that I just used? Where's my wedge? All right, because this is a little bit low for me, and I need that to be higher. I need to be snizzatched. With this lighting, I can't tell if it's doing what I needed to do, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go on top of here because I feel like that's a little harsh. I'm gonna go in actually all the areas where I added some of that bronzer, and we're gonna brighten that up a little bit, or not brighten it up, blend it in some, just to add a little bit of color. Boom, boom, bow. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my nose and the area right here. I can't remember what this little area is called. It don't even matter, girl. Just put it there. It creates dimension, and it creates a little bit of like a contour crease area here. Just put it all over your eye. Sometimes I just put this all over my eye. As long as it don't look too crazy, just put it on your eye, child. Just put it on your eye. Okay, all right. Now I really need to, because it's gonna bug me. Where's my mirror? Because again, y'all, I can't tell if this is blended or not. I need to look in my mirror and see. Light is so bright. My baby might have woke up. I'm gonna keep the show going on though. Until she tell me that she need to be picked up or something, we're gonna keep the show going on. Baby, don't stop no show. Okay, y'all, I can't really tell what's going on here, but it is what it is. From eyebrows, I am going to go in with the NYX Lift and Snatch Makeup Professional Pencil. Now this one I have the color Ash Brown because they didn't have the espresso in stock. They never had the espresso in stock, but this Ash Brown does what I needed to do. So I'm gonna do that on this mirror here. I actually really like the Ash Brown now that I have it. I don't think I want to go to the espresso. Espresso is probably gonna be a little bit too dark and stark for me. You girls can do what you want to do though, however you like your brows, whatever your preference is, you do that. But I think I'm gonna stick with the Ash Brown. Sorry y'all, can't really create some hair-like strokes, or as best I can anyway. Doing the best I can with what I got. My baby's definitely awake. I hope she goes back to sleep though. Hello. I hate doing my left side, bro. It'd be so hard. Struggling. Yeah, it's so hard to do the left side. My gosh, it's so hard to do this left side, bro. And I feel like because I'm angling it in a different direction, or like because I'm using my other hand, the product doesn't flow the way it's supposed to. That brow's not the same as this other one. So let's try and get this the same. Mamas, are you awake? Can you hear me? Hi, Pootas. Hi, baby. All right, boom. Can't believe I have a child, y'all. It'd be so unbelievable to me sometimes. Like, it's so amazing and it's so beautiful. I'll be right back. All right, had to put my child in her mama's. What's wrong, boo-boo? Where's my mascara? So right about now, I will be done. Baby, you okay? I'm gonna put on some mascara. I would normally put on, I ain't gonna say I would normally put on. I'll be right back, y'all. So we lost our Apple TV remote, and the only remote I have, or my family has, is the Apple TV remotes that are on our phones. And I'm currently using my phone right now, so we can't turn on Miss Rachel. What a travesty. All right, so I was gonna put on a lash, but since my child is awake, we're just gonna do some mascara. Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. It do what I needed to do. I got it from Ulta, got it on sale. I do like the brush though, I ain't gonna hold you. Some brushes be too thick. Some brushes be too thick, some of them be too like small and comey. This one is just perfect for me. And honestly, girls, that'd be the problem sometimes. When you're using mascara, you're either using a wand that's too big or you're using a wand that's too small. You have to get your wand according to your lashes. It's just like your hair. If you have super coarse hair, would you be using a fine tooth comb to go through your lashes or to go through your hair? And this mascara is old, so it ain't even old, y'all. I probably have like a month now, but I do a lot of pumping. I've used this mascara a lot since I've had it, because I didn't have mascara for maybe like, what's my baby, 10 months? I ain't had mascara for about like 10 months, so I have been basking in the amazingness of actually having mascara. And I've been loving it, but it's getting thick on me though. Yeah, I wasn't able to do what I wanted to do with it just now because it's gotten a little thick on me. But yeah, mascara. And what I do with my mascara, what I've been liking to do nowadays, I like to go down, twirl the brushes, I'm going down, and then I come back underneath my lashes and pick them right back up. So I drop it down, get some product on it, and I pick it right back up. I drop it down and I pick it right back up. And I do at least like 2 coats. So I'll do one lash. Sometimes I'll go and do the second coat immediately after doing the first coat. Sometimes I'll do the first coat and then I'll go back and I do the second lash, do a second coat, go back and do the same thing, do the second coat on the other lash. But normally when I do my second coat, I am focusing on the outer third of my eye. So I'm not really like doing the entire eyelash or doing my entire lashes. I'm just focusing on the outside because I really want that cat eye wing shape with my lashes. And baby, I think this lash right here, this eye right here, is about as mascara as it's gonna get, because this is clumpy over here. Mamas, hi Poodas, you okay? How was your nap? It was good? What you dream about? Just cute though, right? It's cute. I'm put some on my bottom lash too, because you know I don't like having bald bottom lashes. I prefer to have some mascara underneath my eyes. I used to really dislike having mascara on my bottom lashes, but as I matured as a makeup artist and as a woman, I realized you need a little bit of mascara on that bottom lash, especially if you got something going on under there. You got a smoky waterline, you got some smoky shadow underneath, you got some white shadow underneath. You need something to pop it out with. You need some bottom lash mascara. Now, not to the point that it's clumpy now. Amazing, sensational. My gosh. Okay, I wasn't prepared for this. It is what it is. We're gonna pat it. Thankfully, I have freckles, so it's probably just gonna blend in anyway. If you don't have freckles, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to do what I just did. I just dabbed it with that sponge. It's fine. Everything is fine. Even if you don't have freckles, people think it's a beauty mark. It's totally fine. Everything is fine. Just accidentally stopped the video. All right, boom. We're done. Not putting anything on the lips because I don't want to. Most days I don't put anything on my lips but some lip balm or a little bit of Aquaphor for real, because it doubles for the baby. That's the lip Aquaphor, but we got the regular Aquaphor. What I am gonna do real quick though, because I feel like I need it, is do a little bit of highlighter. So right now I'm using the Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in Chestnut Glow. I'm gonna get some of this on my fan brush and I'm gonna put it on my cheeks, high cheeks, and I like to go in like a circular motion so I don't get just like a straight line. If I do get like a straight line accidentally, or if I just go like circular motions, buff that hell out. And I go on the high points of my cheekbones, or the areas where I just want a little bit of lift, or the areas where the sun would naturally hit me. Probably kind of hard to see it. It's hard for me to see it in this camera right now. And I'm gonna put a little bit on the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna just take my finger and do that, honestly. Hello, nose. I ain't really need it on the bridge of my nose, but it is what it is. I'll take a little bit, put it underneath my brow, and I lied, y'all. We are not done. Baby, this is supposed to be a very quick tutorial, but you messing with a makeup artist right now, child. What's ever quick? Baby, comment down below, like if you are a makeup artist, or even just like a regular girl that loves makeup, how long does it take you to do your makeup? And when you say you're gonna do a look, do you really stick to it? Do you stick to it? Let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna put a little bit of that highlighter on my eye, just to create a little bit of a like pop right there. Pop and a lift, and something that's gonna draw the eye right there, so that it looks like I have on like a whole lot of makeup, when I guess looking at this video I kind of do have on makeup, but it ain't makeup, if you know what I'm saying. All right, Cupid's bow, why not? We here now. Why not? Matter of fact, lips, why not? We here now. We are here now. Why not? I'm skipping a very, I just realized I dropped one of my lashes and I do not want to lose a lash. Ain't nothing worse than losing a lash, child. Oh my gosh. All right. So my last step, my for real last step, is to put on my brow gel. So the brow gel I've been using as of lately is the Brow Glue by NYX. So I'm gonna take some of this and I am just going to start at the front of my brow and I'm gonna twirl the brush going up, coating those hairs, going up. And I tell y'all, I love this because number one, it coats all of my brow hairs and it really helps to give me that laminated brow look, that laminated, well-kept brow look. But also the combination of that MAC 24-hour extend eye base with this, chef's kiss. Eyebrows last all night. I can rub my eye, my eyebrows still gonna be there. If I'm lying, I'm flying. Try it out. I hate doing my left side. Do y'all like doing your left side? Comment below. Whatever your non-dominant side is, do you have trouble doing makeup on it? Like, or is it just me? Cause I swear to goodness, bro, I hate doing my left side. Eyeshadow I'm cool with, but like when it comes to doing actual, it's the brows, bro. That's what it is. I hate doing the left side of my brows. Buddhas. Hello. You okay, mommy? Sensational. All right. I'm happy with it. This is cool. This works for me. I ain't really going anywhere right now, but normally if I was with this face, even though it's a tinted moisturizer, it's technically makeup for me. So I would spray on some of the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. I was trying this out because I saw a lot of people talking about it and I actually like it. I see what people were talking about when they said it does kind of give you that hairspray feel or hairspray smell. But it kind of feels the same way as the Ben Nye setting powder to me. I mean, setting spray to me. But yeah, y'all, that's all I got. That's what I got for y'all today. I hope that you got something from this, even though it's not like super duper. I mean, the video's not quick, but for, again, if you're doing this on your own, child, it can be really quick and easy. But yeah, quick mom makeup. Go about your day without doing too much. I'm going to insert some pictures on what this looks like in regular lighting and not just this super duper bright lighting. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about the video below. What is your makeup routine looking like as a new mom, as a mom of however many? But yeah, before I leave, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Give me a reason to be here. Please and thank you. I'll see y'all later. Bye.